I'm Chang.
Oh, there you go. Hi, Riyanshi.
Hi,
How are you? How's your Saturday going?
I'm good.
Very good. So, Riyanshi, so the reason we're having this interview is because you won first place for the first and second grade division, right, of the CAT tournament, right, the Coding Aptitude Tournament. So you did the best job you could possibly do, Riyanshi. So good job on that.
Thank you.
And Riyanshi, tell us something about yourself.
So I live in Virginia and I'm in second grade.
Very cool. What is your favorite sport, Riyanshi?
My favorite sport is soccer and basketball.
Very cool. And Riyanshi, what is your favorite subject in school?
So I like doing math and science.
Very cool. Those are very fun subjects, Riyanshi. Very cool. Okay, so Riyanshi, so how do you feel about winning first place, Riyanshi?
I'm really happy and excited.
Very cool. Did you think you would win?
Kind of.
That's okay. It's okay. Well, Riyanshi, did you spend a lot of time preparing?
So I didn't prepare, but I do like to do a lot of coding projects.
Very cool. So Riyanshi, did you do anything before you did the tournament? Did you do a project? Did you read something? Did you do any sort of activity that helped you do so well in the tournament?
So I did do coding projects.
Okay, very cool. So did you receive any sort of resources that you could use to help you prepare from 98th percentile?
No.
No, that's okay. So Riyanshi, do you think that the things that you have learned in the past about coding, do you think those things have helped you in the tournament?
Yeah.
Very cool. So how was your experience during the tournament? Were you scared? Were you nervous? Were you excited? How did you feel?
I was really excited.
Really? Very cool. What was your favorite part in the tournament?
So I liked that it was a Kahoot.
Very cool. Was there a part that you felt was the most exciting for you? Like, was there one part when you were trying to answer a question and you couldn't figure it out, and then all of a sudden you figured out what the answer was? Did you have anything exciting like that happen?
So the difficult part was that I had to do it really fast.
Yeah, that can be challenging sometimes, right?
Yeah.
Very cool. So, are there any tips that you would like to share for future participants who do this tournament?
So you should do a lot of fun coding projects.
Very good. So your tip is to do coding projects because those projects have helped you, right?
Yeah.
Very cool, Riyanshi. So Riyanshi, here comes the best part, okay? So since you got first place for the first and second grade category, you're gonna get a $50 Amazon gift card. Okay, so that will be sent to your mom's email or your dad's email. I have an email on file for one of your parents, and I will send that to them on Monday. Isn't that so exciting? So what do you think you'd like to do with $50 for Amazon. Is there anything that you want to buy? Do you want to save it? What do you plan to do with that gift card?
So I like doing puzzles, so I might buy that.
Very cool. So you're going to do some puzzles, and doing puzzles will probably help you if you ever did this tournament again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, puzzles are really fun. And then the other thing that you're going to get, Riyanshi, is you have also won some free classes as scholarships to any of our programs. So we have the math program, the ELA program, and the coding program. What are you the most interested in? Math, coding, or ELA?
So I think I would pick coding.
Very cool. So you would just want to do more coding?
Yeah.
Very cool. And then my last question for you, Riyanshi, is, are you planning to join the next comics event?
I haven't thought of that yet.
Okay, that's okay. Have you ever created a comic strip?
No.
No. Do you have any ideas of what your story would be if you did create a comic strip?
Kind of.
Okay, so why don't you tell me just one thing that you would have in your story?
No. So, I might have a mystery.
Very cool, like a mystery comic? That's very cool. Well, I hope you get to make that someday. I'm sure it would be very, very cool, Riyanshi. So Riyanshi, you did such a wonderful job. Okay, so congratulations. And I really hope you can get something wonderful with the Amazon gift card. I hope you can get a really cool puzzle. Okay, so I will send that to your parent on Monday. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
It was such a pleasure talking to you, Riyanshi. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday, okay?
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Riyanshi.